Today we're gonna make the V-wing. You need a square piece of paper, 10-inch paper. Valley fold the edge to edge and unfold. So line the corners up, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Because after you practice, it will make it better. So now we have the base. Valley fold the corners to the center. So you'll have a square arrow like this. You're gonna valley fold to the point, right here. Valley fold the edges to the center. This. Valley fold the edges to the center. And repeat it on the other side. Like this. And it looks like this. Now you turn the model over. Fold it half. And then you valley fold the top layer. And then you repeat on this side, on the other side. Like this. Then you open the wings. So then you have the glue. A pretty good flying plane. Let's give it a try.